Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Now click on consent and click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.